how to turn on other notifications, SMS notifications on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on other notifications, SMS notifications on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here just click these three lines in the top corner and go down until you find the settings and then notifications, and here go down until you find this one, other notifications. Click on it and then just turn SMS on, and after you turn it on just go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.